Holy crap. Let's see how big this thing is. Oh my god, I caught a tank. Holy crap. No. Oh. He got it. Hey, buddy. How you doing, fish heads? I got the bubs with me today. Was at a spot this morning. Got some results. Bass fishing lately has been like pulling teeth. Rough, dude. Rough. But I went and got some yum worms. That's right, yum. Why yum? Because Gary Yamamoto is nothing but a name. Same type of worm. You're paying $6 more for a freaking name. That's it. I've caught plenty of bass on yum worms. There is a slight difference in the action, but yum worms, you know what, mark my words, when I get sponsored one day, it's gonna be by Yum. I want to be sponsored by Yum, because I love their worms. I love them. They're yummy. Let's get some bass. All right. Oh yeah, he came up and got that. All right, there's a thumbnail. He came up and got that zoom, or that yum lizard. Lizards work great in Florida, I'm telling you. All right, Bob, you're on. You know, I'm telling you. All right, Bob, you're on. You know, no dap, keep it real, nothing like that. All right, okay. Got Dinky and Stinky. I just caught Dinky, but my deal didn't want to start filming. When you hit the button, sometimes it does that. I can't say I'm 100% satisfied with the old GoPro. It can be very disappointing at times. Solid piece of freaking machine though. I mean, mine's always in the sun, always putting it through everything, weather, rain. All right, so that was 2 back-to-back babies. Dinky and Stinky, brother and sister. Dinky's the girl, tomboy. Well, Dinky and Stinky up to no good. Uh-oh, there's Dinky, Stinky, and Pinky. They're hiding this wacky rig. Dinky, Stinky, and Pinky. Pinky's a little bit bigger than Dinky and Stinky. I hid it in that little pocket over there. Alright. Dinky, Stinky, and Pinky. The terrorizing trio. Raising heck on freshwater areas. Freshwater bodies of water. Dinky, Stinky, and Pinky today made the news. Breaking windows and stealing bikes. You got it, you got it, you got it. Come on, buddy, don't get stuck, don't get stuck. Man, he got stuck. I'm unsticking him though. Yeah, I love that Palomar knot. God, look at this, all this slop. I'm just doing my part, catching fish and cleaning out the canal at the same time. Let's see how big this thing is. Oh my God, I caught a tank. Holy crap. Oh man, I didn't expect, he hit like a freaking, like Dinky and Stinky. Oh my goodness, dude. Clean your throat out so you don't suffocate. Oh my goodness. No! Oh, no, he got away. Oh, that's my luck, dude. My luck. There's no such thing as luck, but you guys seen him. He's landed. I caught him. I win. I don't care what anybody says. I just wanted to hold him up, take a look at him. Man, he hit it like, that's what bass do though. They hit it like really soft, and you never know. Look at this mess. That's what I get for trying to help you out, Bassy, running on me like that. That was Stinky's dad right there. Just got out, fresh out the pen. Fresh out the pen. Just got out, already terrorizing. There's been this big bass every time I come here. I ain't been here in a couple weeks, but bass usually stay in the same spot. I've caught bass a week later, same bass. That's been sitting right here. He gets spooked really, really easy. If I can't see him, I'm still gonna, last time I was here there was a crap ton of bait fish. You see that blue in that fish? See, now I'm getting a good look at him to see exactly what colors I should be using. Well, we got some shad, bluegill. So really, orange, red, blue, green, pearl, everything. I mean, these fish are so colorful. I need to get some worms with some stripes, black stripes. All right, this is where he's at usually, right here. He's banged up looking, so from the way that he acts, as banged up as he is, he got scales missing, it tells me he's been caught. Oh, there he is, there he is. Let me back up. If he sees me, he's gonna run. Oh God, he's a monster. He's gonna get it. Is he gonna get it? He don't want nothing to do with anything I throw at him. Nope, he has no interest. No interest. They hit it. Oh, he thought about it. Man, he thought about it. He got 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 it. Oh, gosh dang it. I should have waited longer. I should have waited longer. Man, I highly doubt he's gonna hit it again. He's spooked to the max now. Your Dinky back at it again. Your Dinky's back at it again. Little Dinky terrorizing neighborhoods. Oh, got his eye. Oh man, I'm so sorry. Bass. Oh. Yeah, that's damage to the eyeball. Alright, buddy. Dinky, stay out of trouble, little guy. It's not worth it. You don't want to go back to JJC. Alright. Little Dink. Old Dink. Dad calls him Dink. Okay. The title of this video is going to be Dinky and Stinky. And Pinky. Pinky's not around as much, but everybody knows who Dinky and Stinky is. Pinky comes over for summer vacation, but was in juvenile hall this summer. Just got out. Truancy, gang banging, the usual with Pinky. Same old story with old Pink. Just doesn't want to get it right. I don't know what's going on right here. Oh! Holy crap! That surprised me. Please, I don't want to lose this fish. This is a big bass. Please, I don't want to lose this fish. Nice. Got him in the tongue. I don't like that. Boy, back up. Back up. Oh man, this is a nice bass, dude. I got him right there. All right, I was gonna take some surgical. Get back, boy. Are you crazy? You can't do nothing to this bass. Dude, he smashed it when it was going through them weeds. That's where they're all at. There we go. It's a good bass. I don't like advertising because everybody on this corner can see, and I don't want a bunch of people here fishing. That's not a bad boy right there. Look at that guy. That's a good bass. Let's dap it up. All right. You go back.